Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the single take feature on your Samsung Enhanc X app using a Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you have a video of something which you've taken with your S25 Ultra and you want to change it into a single take video where you have one video clip but you have multiple outputs like boomerang, crop shots, filtered image, highlight video, then let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Galaxy Enhanc X. We'll go ahead and tap on select picture and video. We'll go ahead and select that video which we just created. From here, we'll go ahead and tap on single take. Now we'll go ahead and let Galaxy Enhanc X do its job and create us a single take. So we'll take this one video clip and we'll basically give it multiple outputs. So just give it a few minutes. Now once that's done, as you can see, this is a crop shot. This is a filtered image. This is a boomerang shot. Then we have a highlight video. So the highlight video will only show you some key shots. So there you go. So once you're happy with all of these, you can go ahead and tap on save, and this will save all of those in your gallery. So if you go ahead and view them, so as you can see, this is a single take and you can see all those different shots. So there you go, guys. That is how to use a single take feature on your Samsung Enhanc X app using a Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.